Guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Friday, what is it, Friday the 10th of January. A little bit of a sun shower going on here, a little bit of rain, which is disappointing, but it looks like it's easing already straight away, so that's great. But we've got the BLX Mojave Grom straight out. I think it'll be the first batch that hit Australia, because I was on the pre-list waiting list from 3 or 4 hobby shops, and as soon as the first one hit, I pulled the trigger. So first BLX ARRMA Mojave Groms to come to Oz. Hopefully the glare outside here is not too bad. A little bit of box art, and what we go for, we went with the pink and teal sort of colour. That was the best. I did want the black and gold, the John Player one, and that one there comes without the battery and charger, and it's a little bit cheaper, but for some reason none of the Aussie hobby shops had them in the first batch. It was weird, they only got the couple of varieties here, what is it, the white and blue and the pink and teal sort of colour. So let's readjust and get back down onto the channel. But if you're new to the channel, hi, I'm Tony Droney, RC, slot cars, everything like that. So well, what's this, first or second video of 2025, so welcome. We've had some great new subscribers, up around that sort of mid 400s now, 440, somewhere there, so really great. Welcome if you're new, subscribe if you're not. RC and slot car stuff big time coming in 2025, so this is the first new car day, so everyone loves new car day. So let me readjust the camera and get it down a bit closer. All right, let me get my knife. Got to get my knife. All right, a bit closer. Hopefully that camera angle's not too bad. Got some lovely afternoon sun at the moment, cooling the place down a bit too, that rain. So the Mojave Grom, guys, and this is, you've seen on the channel last year, I rated the brushed version. RC car 2024, love it, still love it. It's just the best RC car I've got at the moment. It's had heaps of use and it's great. So this is the upgraded brushless version. So it comes with a new body, new colour schemes, which, to tell you the truth, ARRMA are just killing it with the bodies. All their models, not just the Groms and that, everything. The Typhon, all the new models coming out, unreal. So they're 2 to 3S capable. Comes with the same 1400 milliamp battery that we got with the other cars. So I've already got one pre-charged, ready to go. So we don't have to wait for the one that's in the box. All right, it's not even sealed. Okay, we don't even need the knife. Voila, look at that, guys. Mickey Mouse, brand new. Let me put that sharp knife out of the way. Django, you better get down. He loves cardboard boxes. So let's unbox this little puppy. Controller again. And this one now, you've got the, what do they call it? The DCM. This is ARRMA's version of stability control. So you've got four levels that you can flick through on the controller to give it some sort of stability control. So that's the box empty. I'll keep that away from the dog, because he loves those boxes. You can have the cardboard one, go get that one. All right, so you get the normal bag of goodies with ARRMA, great to see. Won't have that same problem I had out at the Airbnb, if you guys have watched my channel, at the HPI, little HPI adventure. This little fella here, when I unboxed that guy, I had no AA batteries, but I was lucky that the Airbnb had a big stash of batteries. So that was great. So unpacking all this, you got the usual techno babble manuals and all that sort of stuff, but handy if you ever have any troubles with rebinding or anything like that. Get the little Mojave collector's card. Get the usual little wrench, which is the same as this guy here. Very handy, you know, they got the you can do your wheel rims, and you got your 2.5 millimeter there. So I won't take it out of the package. And your 4 AA's and that standard Spectrum charger USB-C plug it in, fast charge it, put it on a 65 watt or something like that and it'll fast charge, you know. Let's crack open these AA's. AA's. So yeah guys, welcome to the channel if you haven't been here before. You know, since I think it was, we're coming up a year now that I really started, you know, doing some solid videos on YouTube, and we've got 400 plus subscribers over the year, and it was heavily focused on Ninko, my favourite slot car brand, and other brands, and I thought I'd start sharing my RC habit with you as well. Alright, what's holding this little puppy down? Alright, now we need some cutters. There we go guys, look at that pink and the purple rims, teal front, that thing just pops. ARRMA, you guys are killing it when it comes to bodies. You know, years ago when you first come out, the bodies, in my opinion, were a little bit daggy, I thought, in my opinion, but I don't know, someone's stepped up their game when it comes to the bodies and the quality of ARRMA since the Horizon and everything's taken over the world. So here we go guys, same clipless body, wicked clipless body, so you've got the two little clips either side, squeeze them in, body comes off, and you know, that body over there has copped heaps of crashes, not a blemish, not a crack in it or anything, so it's holding up like a champ, and this one's no different. Got the purple cage, drivers have got the little helmets on, integrated rear bumper, and there's your clipless system there if you see. The camera's going to focus. Yeah, so amazing 10 out of 10 body. And here we go, we've got the new brushless system. So inside here we've got a similar setup, 2-in-1 ESC and receiver combo. But as you see, we've got the three cables this time, which represents a little beauty of a brushless motor in there. Still got the fan's still the same, so it's pretty much the same platform. It's just been brushless. So let me compare. So there we got the brushed with the fluoro wheels. Bit of a comparison. Oh my God, sweating it out guys. And there's our little battery that comes incorporated first time, so we'll grab that out and get him ready to put on the charger. So yeah, same battery, 30C, 1400 milliamp, 2S, Spectrum, got the little IC plug on it. They're a great little battery. Let's put in the charged battery. Got your little foam inserts, which are great, keep that battery nice and snug. And also upgraded now, you see here in the turnbuckles, we've got little red anodized adjustable turnbuckles, which is a great little add-on. We've got the full metal cap, top cap, aluminium, threaded shocks. So the shocks have been upgraded and improved. That's about it, I think. What am I missing? Let me know in the comments, guys. I'm pretty new to doing RC reviews. Still got the lovely little crush protection bumpers front and rear, and with the DSM controller now, you've got the four different modes of stability, and that's pretty much I've seen with other videos. You hold I think it's right on the steering wheel, press your on and off button, and it'll get beeps, 1, 2, 3, 4 beeps, go through all your different stability modes and stuff. But let's get the body back. Oh, hang on, let me cut and a little bit more edit. I'll put these batteries in the controller. We'll turn her on, bind her up. The rain stopped. I don't know if you can tell. Hopefully the noise level's a bit better now. There we go. So yeah, controller on. Batteries inserted. Let's turn the little car on, plug your battery in. Dog's gonna go nuts. There we go, bound up straight away, straight out of the box, so you don't have to worry if you're a beginner or a novice with, and there you go. there's the gyro in action. So I'm not sure what level it comes off out of the box, probably medium, you'd imagine, 50%. But you know, that's applying steering corrections if you're getting a bit loose going down the track. So it's trying to keep the car centered and stable. So that's actually my first car. Oh, I briefly had a drift car with a gyro, but I got rid of that. I didn't really like drift cars. But so this is my first, certainly my first short course truck that has the stability control. So yeah, and you can hear the fan humming away there. Lovely steering. Lovely little bit of kickback there from the brushless. Really smooth, considering. Got the upgraded metal gears too, I'm pretty sure, on this puppy. Let's do a bit more. Sorry guys, I rushed through that. Yeah, so you've got the tough metal gears. They're saying tougher than the original ones that they had in the version 1. 2 to 3S capable. They say 35 mile an hour out of the box. You can obviously gear that up. And there's a speed chart here too that lets you know what sort of speed gearing you got. There's a little picture of the black and gold one. I'll be very keen to get a body of that style to put on. And you can go 3S obviously. So let's move on out to the driveway and get down away so we can actually open up this little brushless puppy. All right. So here we got the Mojave Grom Granite brushless BLX 2S 3S. So a little run. I've got the dogs locked up in the house, so I can't go too crazy. As soon as they catch wind that I'm out here with RCs, they just go stupid. So let's go have a go. And also I've got it on 100% throttle, stability control level 3. As you can see, the gyro, and haven't even trimmed it up yet. Oh yeah, she's a bit more alive than the brushed version. Wow. Hopefully the camera's doing that justice. Wow. Yeah, she's got some go. Yeah, she's rock solid stable. Oh, it's kicking rocks up. Like you could just bang that throttle and she's straight. That's wicked. Kicking up the rocks. Wicked. She's a little rock gremlin. Oh yeah, you can just pin it. Oh, until you hit a big rock. Hopefully nothing's broken. What am I dragging? I'm dragging sticks. Yeah, let's go remove that rock that I just killed. Little ARRMA killer, that one. So yeah, first rip guys. And it hauls. That's only on 2S. Oh, I've got to clean this driveway a bit. Wicked. Wow, 2S, it hauls. Brakes are pretty good. Wow. Wow, guys. That's next level compared to the brushed version. Like, I think the brushed version would really benefit from that DCM technology too. Because the brush version, it's not slow, it's fast. Got storm coming too, got the thunder and lightning. And I'm out here with RC cars. So like and subscribe guys for my potential life. Wow, that thing just rips. Oh, of course I've got to hit the biggest rock. Another ARRMA killer. She's tough though. All I've done is taken the sticker off. That's ARRMA's motto, isn't it, fellas? Don't just blast. And I've turned into a bit of an ARRMA fanboy. Got all the Groms now. Let me know in the comments too, guys, if you want me to do a brushless conversion on the little Typhon. Oh, hang on. Something bound up. Loving that stability control. A little bit of steering trim required. Yeah, she's pulling a bit that way. That's better. Get some doughies. 2S doughies. Tears it up, guys. If you can find them in stock, Jesus, grab one. God, she throws up some rocks. That's probably my only criticism, but the shell, the body, you know, it takes it all. It's got all the inner fenders, but it just feels like you're grinding gears. Yeah, hit some jumps, eh? So yeah, before we run out of this battery, better put it over the jump a few times, eh? See how it goes in the air. Oh, beautiful. Oh man, she kicks up some rocks. Oh, come on. Yes. The glory of a short course truck body. Oh, 360 on the landing. Wow, she's a tough little girl, just like the brushed version, man. That's copped some bloody horrific crashes and I haven't replaced anything. Full tilt. Oh, on its lid, rolls around. Toughest body in RC, guys. So there's my little review of the Mojave ARRMA Grom. So, what is it? I got that for RC Hobbyland in Australia, and it cost me about, oh shit, I forget how much already. I think it was around the 400 mark Australian. But guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, give us a like, share, comment. More slot car stuff coming, I promise. Next video, slot cars. Cheers guys, bye bye.